Welcome back to Carz Hub. Folks, today we're talking about a truck that's got everyone from Texas to Maine either scratching their heads or reaching for their checkbooks. The 2025 Tesla Cybertruck isn't just another vehicle, it's like driving a piece of tomorrow today. But here's what I know you're wondering. Can this spaceship-looking thing actually handle real truck work? Forget the noise. Let's talk about what truly matters. Now, I'll be honest. When I first saw that angular stainless steel body, I thought, that's not a truck, that's a movie prop. But then I got up close. That steel isn't just for looks. It's the same stuff SpaceX uses on rockets, for Pete's sake. Imagine a truck bed that doesn't dent when you drop a toolbox, or doors that won't rust after 10 salty winters. It's like they built this thing for grandkids to inherit. But let's talk turkey about what really matters. Under that futuristic hood, you've got two serious options. The dual motor model's no slouch. 600 horsepower, 0 to 60 quicker than most sports cars, and 325 miles on a charge. Perfect for hauling lumber all week or driving to the lake house without sweating the battery. Now, if you're the type who needs to outrun a rainstorm while towing a horse trailer, the tri-motor Cyber Beast packs 845 horses and hits 60 miles per hour faster than you can say hot rod. And get this, both versions drive smoother than your favorite leather recliner. No roaring engine, just quiet power that makes you forget you're in a pickup. But can it work like a real truck? I hear you asking? Let's put it this way. 11,000 pounds of towing means it'll pull your fifth wheel RV like it's nothing. That bed holds 2,500 pounds, enough for a pallet of concrete bags or your deer camp gear. Oh, and those built-in outlets? You could run power tools at a job site or keep the coffee pot going during a blackout. This isn't some delicate tech toy. It's got calluses on its hands. Inside, it's where Tesla gets clever without getting complicated. That big touch screen? Think of it like a really good smartphone, simple enough for your buddy who still uses a flip phone. The seats? Supportive enough for your bad back, but soft where it counts. And that sound system? Let's just say it'll feel like Willie Nelson is right there with you in the truck. Now, about charging. I know what you're thinking. What if I find myself in the middle of nowhere with no charging station around? Tesla superchargers are everywhere these days. 15 minutes gets you another 128 miles. That's quicker than stopping for gas and a coffee at your local convenience store. Plug in at home overnight? You'll start each morning with a fully charged battery, ready to roll. At $79,990 for the dual motor, it's not cheap, but neither was your last diesel rig. Difference is, you'll save a bundle on gas and oil changes. And here's the kicker. This truck actually gets better over time with those wireless updates. It's like buying a 2025 model that turns into a 2030 model while you sleep. So here's the bottom line, friends. The Cybertruck isn't trying to replace your trusty old Silverado. It's offering a new way to do the same tough jobs, just quieter, cleaner, and frankly, smarter. It's for drivers who want their truck to work hard without all the drama. If you're the kind who appreciates good engineering and hates wasting time at the pump, this might just be your next workhorse.